Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we on guys aeroplane mode in our Tecno phone device. Friends, you want to on guys your phone aeroplane mode setting. So now how can you on it? Today I will show you. I will tell you guys. Friends, you want to on guys your aeroplane mode settings. So how can you on? Today I will show you in this video from your phone setting how to turn on aeroplane mode. Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it, friends. You can see this type of settings. So how can we on guys aeroplane mode? Friends, you can see more connection guys. Tap here. Friends, aeroplane mode setting guys. Right side icon, tap here. After 2 seconds guys, your aeroplane mode will on. Aeroplane icon guys, you can see on your screen. So after on guys, we cannot use guys our phone call setting guys and guys mobile data setting guys. And friends, you can use guys your download movies guys you have. So guys, you can use it. You can watch. And friends, offline game you can play. Guys, sorry for this sound guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you have understood how to on aeroplane mode from phone settings. So that's it guys, and guys again sorry for that sound guys, ignore it guys, focus on only video. Bye.